Forest class. Welcome to your first maths lesson. So it's Monday and you should be watching this ready to do some maths. So make sure you can see me and you're sitting. The other thing you might need while we're doing our maths lesson is in your pack you've got a whiteboard and a pen, so you need to grab that, and you might also need some counters. So in a little envelope is some counters, so grab those, and that's what you need for today's maths lesson. So you can pause me if you need to go and get those things, and then we'll carry on. So we're going to start by doing some counting. So this counting is especially for you if you are a reception child. If you're a year one, you can do this by whispering. And if you're a reception child, I want you to do this counting really loudly. So what I want you to do is to count from 0 all the way to 20 and then back down to 0 again. Should we do some clapping while we do it? So we're going to count to 20 and then we're going to go back down again. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ready to go back again? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Brilliant, well done. Now we're going to do some counting, but we might do some counting that are a bit bigger numbers. So year ones, you really need to help with this because you're really good at counting. So I'm going to tell you the number I want you to start on, and I'm going to tell you the number I want you to finish on. Okay, so let's count from 15 to 22. Okay, ready? 15 to 22. Ready? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Let's count from 26 to 35. 26 to 35. Ready? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Can't remember if I said 34 or 35, but I'm sure you stopped on the right one. Okay, let's count. Let's do some bigger numbers. Let's count from 77 to 89. 77 to 89. 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Very good. Let's do one counting backwards. So let's start on 64 and end on 52. 64 to 52. Ready? 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52. Wow, amazing. So grown-ups, if your children found that difficult at any point, that's the bits that you can practice together. In our maths today, we are going to be thinking about one more. Now I know year ones, you're super good at this. So with year ones, we're going to think about much bigger numbers. And reception children, you're getting really good at this now. So we're going to think about maybe numbers to 20. So I've got some number cards here. I'm going to flash you a number card and I want you to say to your grown-up the number that's one more than the number that I show you. Okay, ready? Let me find them. Okay, one more. Ready? Did you all say 7? Oh, that was 7. Did you all say 8? Okay, next one. Did you all say 5? Did you all say 3? And did you all say 9? Very good. Ready? Big numbers now. This is It's going to be very difficult. So one more than these big numbers here. Okay, ready? I'm wondering whether these are coming out backwards too, but we'll see. Hopefully you all said 14. One more than 45. One more than, did you say 94? I might say these numbers because I think they're coming out back to front on my video. I'm going to get better at these videos. Right, one more than 71. 72. One more than 58. 59. One more than 27. 28. And last one, oh, a bit tricky I think this one. One more than 39. 40. Very good. Okay, so reception children, your little activity I'd like you to do now with your grown-ups on your whiteboard. I would like you to ask your grown-up to write a number on your whiteboard, and that number can be anywhere between 0 and 20. So your grown-up's going to write a number on your board, and then I'd like you to write the number that's one more than that number. Okay, see if you can do it. Brilliant. So year ones, hopefully you are really good at that, finding that one more. And if you found it a bit tricky, that's something that you can practice, can really practice. We're going to think this week in our maths, we're going to think about adding. We're going to be thinking about adding groups of objects and finding out the answer. Now, I have forgotten to bring a whiteboard to write with. So you're just going to have to see how we get on. So the activity I would like you to do with your grown-up is I would like them to give you two numbers. So they might say to you 7 and 4. And I would like you to turn those numbers into a number sentence, writing them on your board. So if your grown-up was to say to you 7 and 4, you would write the number sentence 7, add 4 is equal to, and then find out the answer. You have got some counters in your little pack, so you can use those counters to help you to find the answer. If you find that really simple, maybe you could try some bigger numbers and see what strategies you can use to find out the answer to your calculations. So year ones, if we tell you again, your grown-up's going to give you two numbers. I want you to turn those two numbers into a number sentence and write them on your board, and then use the counters that you've got or anything else you've got in your house to work out the answer to your calculations. And I'll see you tomorrow for some more maths. Lots of love.